What's up guys, so I'm bringing another video, and you already know it's going to be another micro build, so let's get to it. So first things first, I'm going to get my little tool that I've been using. I don't know which one this one is yet again, just because I've ordered a few, so hopefully it's one of those that I actually am looking forward to. And you guys already guessed which one this one is. I already know which one it is now. So this is the instructions that it came with. And these guys is a Jedi Starfighter with a slave1. So hopefully I can read this booty instructions. Also, don't forget you can find this online, but because I ended up getting this, I'm gonna try to figure out using this weird instruction set. Alright, so first thing first, you guys already know I like spreading my pieces apart so that I have a better view of how to build everything together. So I've been actually looking for this set not too long. There's definitely a set that I've been looking forward to just because I do like the slave1, and this is basically my first slave1 Lego set. So the Jedi Starfighter only has 6 steps, and then the slave1 seems to have only about 8. Time to whip out the phone. Alright, so this is actually a lot better, so we're just going to use this instead. So this. Tiny extra Lego piece which I don't need, so I'll just toss it somewhere. Let me see. I'll toss it back here just to make it look kind of cool, I guess. So yeah, this is what we got. So we got the Jedi Starfighter and then Jango Fett's slave1, which is actually pretty clean. So here we got the side-by-side comparison with the Jedi Starfighter and the slave1 from Jango Fett's. So overall, they're not too bad. Now playability wise, I feel like there's more you can do with one, just because, you know, it has little turret things, has a landing gear and all that. If you look at it, the detail is actually pretty good for what it is for the most part. So we're talking about design, we give it from 1 to 10, we probably give it like close to an 8. And if we want to talk about playability, I want to say it's a good 8 as well. But the only downside I don't like about this, it doesn't come with a stand to be, you know, at least to be able to stand in its flying position. But you know what, overall, it's not a bad piece. I do enjoy this one. Let's get to the Starfighter. So looking at the Starfighter detail wise, it's like a strong 6. Now if we're talking about playability wise, you kind of, I guess it's not as bad, so I guess I give it like maybe a 7, just because you don't have to worry about pieces flying out or anything like that. I am missing a piece right here in the front, which I'm not too bad. It's just not too bad. I'm not really too mad about that. But yeah, overall, both of these pieces came out pretty good. I do like the quality. They're not really too beat either, but overall I'm pretty satisfied with what I got, how much I paid for it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which one do you guys like better, the Jedi Starfighter or the Jango? So which one do you guys like better, the Jedi Starfighter or Jango Fett's slave1?